sweet queen. Mwah.
This is what my sister does when she comes over.
Devil's a liar.
That's just nasty. You farted, bruh. The doorbell.
I just delivered your package and somebody stole it.
Oh no.
You got all that dirt on the bottom of the table. Damn, you fell. Oh, damn, you fell. You alright?
Please shut up, Mom. You're making me angry.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy, I'm so sorry.
Hi, my name is Ronnie. I am sober. I drove her home. My girlfriend's in the car.